Okay, people, let's revisit this. This is the one and only sugar loaf pineapple. This is pineapple and ginger drink your way. Let's do it for you. So this is 4 pounds of pineapple sugar loaf. This is very expensive. This pineapple is for $150 per pound and it is 4 pounds. The regular pineapple is for $100 or $110, sometimes $80, sometimes $90 per pound. It depends. But this one, sometimes $200 per pound. Very expensive. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to peel this. So people, the pineapple peel. So the pineapple is very sweet, as I mentioned before, but not sweet enough. When I added water to it, the water caused it not to be sweet. Right now, it is sweet and juicy. But when I added water to it, it's not gonna be this sweet. That's why I use sugar. Because you know pineapple is sour. Even though it is sweet, but it still has a sour taste. It is sugary sweet but has a sour taste to it. And when I added water to it, it's not gonna be sweet, man. I need a little sugar. Change of plan. I went into the fridge for the ginger root. So the ginger root here, this amount of ginger root, this is already washed. So let me just cut this. So lots of people were saying that they did not them not see when me add the ginger to the pineapple. So see ginger here. Me have to put it in here some. You know, I'm not gonna use this because this is the Jamaican ginger, and the Jamaican ginger is very strong. So I'm not gonna use this. It's cucumber with it. Yep, with the pineapple to make a drink. But guess what? It's them look something I call cucumber seeds. Them and me and a friend. Even when I'm eating the cucumber, me can't eat the cucumber seed. I have to remove it. If I eat this, I belch it the entire day. Me belch it until my stomach start to feel upset, like it not digest. So I have to remove the cucumber seeds. My stomach cannot manage it. So anything when my stomach cannot manage, I not give my stomach it any extra problem. Understand? Yeah, man. I normally remove it. I'm gonna wash it now because I don't want no seed whatsoever. None whatsoever. Yeah, man. None whatsoever. People, like me said, the reason why I do the cucumber like this is because my stomach cannot manage the seed. If me eat the cucumber seeds, it now digest. Me I go belch it the entire day until me get upset, until me have upset stomach, which is not a good thing. So me have to remove the seeds. Wash it carefully, right? I'm not cut up now. And the Minister of Health said we should not eat the skin of anything right now, but in Jesus' name, this is good. Nothing is wrong with it, right? In Jesus' name. So I'm gonna pass this through a clean kitchen towel or dish towel or whatever you call it. You can use cheesecloth or what you have, as long as it is clean. And this is gonna take some time, right? To give it some time for it to go down. See it? Right. So when small amount is leave, you do something like this. Oops. Now gently squeeze out. So this is the pineapple and cucumber drink. So I am just gonna taste just a small amount. Just a small amount unsweetened. Oh my God. You expected me to drink this unsweetened? No way. I am gonna sweeten it. If you don't want to sweeten yours, that's okay. But I am gonna sweeten mine. I cannot drink it like that. The pineapple is sweet, however, it is not sweet enough. My God. I am gonna sweeten it with my favorite sweetener. Yes, so I'm using my favorite sweetener, granulated sugar. I know everything about granulated sugar, but I rather to use the granulated sugar than the brown sugar. I don't like to put the brown sugar in my drink because it changes the color and it makes the drink a bit heavy. So you use your favorite sweetener, whether you want to use sugar or you want to use honey. Use what you want to use. So this is it, people. Pineapple cucumber drink. And remember, I use the sugar loaf pineapple.